What's up, YouTube? Welcome to Bellavoro Auto Spa, or Bellavoro, however you want to pronounce it. It's Italian. Half my family's Italian. That's where I got the name. In case you were wondering, the name means great work. It's a Italian phrase for great work. My family, half my family being Italian, I felt that it was a good name. Came up with it with my mom. Shout out to my mom. Love you, Mom. We're going to be reviewing the Marolex Axel 2000 foamer. This is sold in the U.S. by the Luxury Microfiber store. Dallas Paint Correction, also they're affiliated with each other. I'm sure you've seen Scott's videos. Scott's a great guy. I've learned a lot from him. It's actually where I learned a good amount of as far as using different products and how you don't have to spend a lot of money. So I definitely say go check his videos out. I used it with the blue nozzle that comes in it, and then I switched it to I believe the white nozzle. And if you want to see more about the different nozzles, if you go and check out Aqualux Auto Detailing or Apex Detail, they both have video reviews on these with the different nozzles. Those are also two great channels, Brian from Apex Detail and Landon from Aqualux. Shout out to Landon and Brian. I'm testing it with the Meguiar's Ultimate All-Wheel Cleaner, Turtle Wax Wheel and Tire Cleaner, and Purple Power Cleaner Degreaser. Now this is a foaming cleaner with an iron remover. It's like a gel-like material. Do not dilute that, otherwise your iron remover will not work effectively. This is similar to products like P&S Brake Buster, Adams Wheel and Tire Cleaner. It's a lot cheaper. That bottle's like $4 at Walmart. Video reviews on it have been pretty good, so I mixed that with water. I eyeballed it as about 1 to 5, I think. And then Purple Power, comparable to, what is it, Super Clean. That was diluted 1 to 5 in a bottle before, so I know that dilution was accurate. So this is a great product. You can use it for different applications. Wheels, mainly, a lot of people like to use it for engine bays, fender wells, things of that nature. So I already tested it out. It works great. I'm going to show you guys how it works. It foams amazingly. I've never tried the IK foamer. However, from my understanding, a lot of the reviews I read is the IK foamer is not as what am I trying to say? Not as durable, I guess. It's a lot of people reported problems with it breaking. This one is actually made by a European company called Marolex. It's imported into the U.S. So Luxury Microfiber store, Dallas Paint Correction, they don't make these. They got these imported. And that's great. I'm glad they got these imported because this is an amazing piece of equipment. In my opinion, a must-have for any detailer. So let's go ahead and get these reviewed, show you guys how they work, and we'll take a look at everything. Let me know what you think. Go ahead and give the video a like, leave a comment below, and let's get to the rest of this. Alright, so this is Turtle Wax Wheel and Tire Cleaner. It's water mixed with some of the cleaner in it. I didn't do an exact dilution ratio, I just kind of eyeballed it, trying to get it like a 1 to 5-ish mixture. So, see how it does in the foamer. Wow. Holy crap. That is ridiculous. I was not expecting that much foam. That's mostly water, and that's like a $4 wheel cleaner at Walmart. Alright, I'm impressed. Again, Turtle Wax Wheel and Tire. This is with the white nozzle and the Axle foamer. I think this is going to be my favorite right here. This nozzle. That's nuts. That's insane. Alright, next one we're going to try Meguiar's Ultimate All-Wheel Cleaner. This is not diluted because it contains an iron remover, and I don't want to reduce the strength. So let's see how this does in the foamer. Hold on 1 second. Here we go. I didn't fill it up fully, so that's why it's coming out kind of like that, but that's amazing. And as you can see, the little nozzle for the stuff likes to sit at the back of it, so if you tilt it forward, it could just be this one, I don't know, but still, that's pretty impressive. Not as great a foam, but still some pretty good foam. Alright. Again, I didn't use a whole lot of product in there, so there's not even really that much left. I didn't want to waste it because I was just doing this review. But I'm pretty happy with this. I'm going to try one more product. I'm going to try Purple Power diluted 1:5. And we'll see how that works. Real quick, this is just a testament to the Meguiar's Ultimate All Wheel Cleaner. It's been on there about 5 minutes now, and it clings. It's like a gel-like material. It doesn't really run, so it's a great wheel cleaner if you're trying to decontaminate a wheel. The other one, Turtle Wax, is good if you're just trying to clean it. So, anyways, got Purple Power in here, diluted 1:5. Let's see how that does. Put a little bit more in here because I mean, stuff's so cheap. I don't really care about wasting it all that much. Starting to run out. Yeah, still a little bit left in there, but yeah, that'll do it. This thing's great. I mean, I'll probably use the Purple Power for engine bays and you know, wheel wells under here and such. The Turtle Wax foam's great in it. The Meguiar foam's great in it. Meguiar's. I mean, yeah, I'm pretty happy. This thing is on sale. I think it's still on sale right now. This stuff is great. And like I was saying, you know, this is kind of runny. This is a cheap cleaner. Meguiar's down there still sticking to the wheel. So that's gonna do it. Appreciate you watching. Give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and stay tuned for more. Thank you.